Let's do sitting first. Let's do sitting first.
Paddle, paddle. Head down. Down head. Paddle. Go paddle. Paddle, paddle. Paddle, paddle. Go paddle. Paddle, paddle. Paddle, paddle. Kick, paddle. Paddle. Sit your hands. Head down. Down head. Head down. Go. Hit mo. Go paddle. Down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, head, down, go, 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 head down, without hold. Inhale, bubbles, bubbles, don't pull my hands. Ready, dog paddle na lang, inhale, down. Dog paddle lang, head down, go. Paddle without pull. Ay, napit lang ako, 5 counts, head down, go. Down head, come on. Pupunta ka dun, pupunta ka dun, follow ko sa'yo, sunod ako sa'yo. Now, go. Paddle, bubbles. Ay, di mo naman ginagalaw yung paddle. Without pull. Up to 5, head down, go. Up to 5, head down, go. This is, down head, this is 1. Survival. Dog paddle head down, tapos hindi ka. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bubbles. Tignan mo. Kaya naman. Inhale. Bubbles. Bubbles. Inhale, bubbles. Practice mo yan. Ay, galing na. Ang galing na. Ready. Isa pa. Without pull. Sit. Down. Paddle kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bubbles. Good na lang. Sige. Move hands. Kick it. Move hands. Kick. Move hands. Kick. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Gagawin naman natin dito. Walang hawak sa akin. Ay, paano matututo? Hindi ganyan. Hawak kita, hindi kita bibita. Hawak kita. Paano kita mahawakan? Hawak mo ko. Ikaw naman. Go, move hands, go. Ay, hindi ganyan yung kick natin. Ay, hindi ganyan. Ay, bakit? Sabi ko sa'yo, di ba, hawak? Ay, walang hawak sa akin. Go, look up, go. Move hands. So, small lang yung 20 ka lang. Masyadong malaki. Ang bilis ko siya. Alam mo hands mo. Ganyan ha. Kick, continue. Faster. Kick. Kick mo guys. Kick. Ganyan ha. Walang hawak sa akin. Hindi ka lulubog dyan. Galaw mo lang hands and legs. Ay, yung lubog. Hawak kita. Galaw mo hands mo. Ay, malapit lang tayo. Ay, higa ka po. Malapit lang tayo. Up to 6. Hit mo ears mo. Sige. Okay lang kahit matagal, kahit 100 kasi nakahiga ka naman. Hindi naman nakadip yung face mo. Ay, small bellies, hindi ganyan yun. Kanina, galaw mo hands mo rin. Sino pa rin?